In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix FaceTime not working on Mac. So let's get started. Now I'll be going over the most common fixes, so you can just go ahead and follow me and hopefully any one of them works out for you. So let's get started with the first one, which is check your internet connection. So make sure that your Mac is online via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and you can obviously test other apps to confirm the connection. For example, I can just go to my Brave and just search up Google, and yeah, my internet is definitely working, so that's good. Now that's the first fix. Then the next fix is to check your Apple ID. So for this, you just open FaceTime, just go here and click on settings, and make sure that you're signed in with the correct Apple ID. And if you're already signed in, then try signing out and signing back in, because that can sometimes work out. Then we have that check date and time settings. Now for this, you have to go to system settings, then go to general. Obviously from here you're gonna go to date and time, and make sure that this option of set time zone automatically using your current location is turned on, and even this first option right there, because incorrect time can block FaceTime activations. And this is not only for FaceTime, it's the same with many other apps. Just stuff don't work properly when your time is not properly set for some reason. Then we have check blocked accounts. So for this, you have to go to FaceTime settings and then go to blocked, and make sure the person you're trying to call isn't blocked. Then we have check cameras and microphones. So for this, you have to go back to system settings, then head over to privacy and security, and from here you'll have to make sure that your camera is for your microphone. First of all, microphone, where is it? Right there. Make sure that the permission for microphone is given to your FaceTime. Okay, now obviously I've given it the permission, but for some reason it's not showing here, because as you can see my camera is working. And then if I go to camera as well, here as well, make sure that's there. If FaceTime is showing you here, just make sure that the slider is turned on. But if everything's working properly on the FaceTime app, then all is good, yeah? Because as you can see, my camera is already working. Then we have test another contact. Now try calling another Apple ID to see if the problem is your Mac or the other person. Then you can also try restarting your Mac, because sometimes simple restart fixes FaceTime activation or call issues. Then also try updating your Mac. So just go to system settings, and then obviously from here to software update, which should usually pop up on the top here. Make sure that your Mac is updated to the latest version. Then you can also check Apple's system status. So to check that, just go here and search up Apple system status, and then click on the first link. And here you can just click on Command F, or you can just go all the way down and you can see FaceTime. Now as you can see, it's green, so that means it's completely functional. There's no issues going on currently, so the issue is on your side, not on the server side. So that's just a confirmation to see that there's nothing wrong with the servers. So yeah, those are basically all the fixes, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.